Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin today's video, I just wanted to quickly thank you all so much for all the love and support you have showered upon me and on the video that I published last week. It was on 2022 Best Planner first review and impression video. So many of you personally DM'd me on Instagram and told me that that particular video helped you make an informed decision and you were able to choose the right planner for you. I'm so happy that I did that video, and that was the entire purpose of making that video. And I was so happy with the kind of love and support you have shown me for that video. Thank you so much, guys. And in today's video, we are going to be seeing my bookshelf tour. So, quickly coming to the bookshelf tour. This bookshelf, I bought it from a second-hand shop. This is not a second-hand bookshelf though. In the second-hand shop in Chennai, there is a particular area where we can get a lot of second-hand furnitures. So in one such store, I was able to get this bookshelf and my work desk. Both of these I bought in that shop. Though the work desk and this bookshelf is not second-hand. In that shop, they do sell some good furnitures, first-hand furnitures, and this was one among that. And as you can see here in this bookshelf, I have a glass sliding door. They did not have that, and I specifically asked for and instructed them that this is how I want it because I want the books to be seen. And as we are living in India, any part of India, the one thing that we all face is it gets dusty. It gets, because of pollution and everything, it becomes a little bit difficult for us to maintain the place very neatly, and I wanted to have this sliding door and I bought it. As you can see, it's not a very big bookshelf or anything, a very simple, pretty basic one. That's what I wanted and I got it. So in the first shelf, I have kept all the books that I don't usually frequently use it, and very big books, hard copy, hardbound books are there in the first shelf. Coming to the second shelf, I have most of the fiction books that I reread them again and again. So all the small and fiction books are there. Coming to the third shelf, I have all hardbound books and big books. The fourth shelf, I have big hardbound books, and the books that I recently purchased, I just keep it there. Right now, I don't have any order in a particular way. I have not arranged the books, but I will soon. I will rearrange all my book, and the last two shelves are empty as of now. And as you can see, I don't have decorate a lot of things using a lot of cute things. I do have some little teddy bears and some statues here and there, but I have not used many. Now with that long intro, without wasting any time, let's get quickly into the video. Now let's quickly dive and see all the books that I have bought, where I bought them. So all the second-hand books that you're seeing here, these big books, foreign author books especially, Lucy Diamond, from Sophie, all these books are books that I bought from the bookstore Lock the Box. So whenever I go to Lock the Box, when they conduct their event in Chennai, I usually buy Hercules or Odysseus, the middle or the premium box, and I try to dump so many big international author books and also some hardbound books. So I just love their sale. Recently, due to Corona, their sales are not happening. They are happening in online, but purchasing books, like going to these offers and buying books from online is so different from offline experience, and I love offline experience, and I'm just waiting for that. So all the new copies of Sudha Murthy, everything I never told you, Tuesdays with Maury, Death, all the fresh copies that you're seeing, these are books that I bought from Amazon. And I also have made a Amazon Great Indian Sale, what all books that I bought in my channel. I will link the video somewhere here in the top right corner, so you can go ahead and watch the video if you want. So Rabindranath Tagore's book, Siddhartha, as you can see, these are all fresh books, new books, and I have bought from Amazon. I have all the 3 copies of Amish Tripathi's both Shiva trilogy and Ramchandra series. Preeti Shenoy is my favorite author, and in one video I have spoken about the origin of species as a biotech student, how that particular book is so close to my heart. This is also from a book sale. Chicken Soup, all these books are from a book sale which is near to my home. I was quite surprised to see a book store and book sale that was happening near to my home, and I just went there and grabbed all these books. So these are some productivity books that I have. Namesake again from book sale. So usually at book sales we can get all these books which are usually priced at 300 or 400 bucks. In Amazon, Flipkart, we usually can get them for 75, 150 at some steal deals, and I that is the main reason why I love going to these book offers and grabbing as many books as I can. Now coming to the third shelf, all the big hardbound books. So here, the Roar is a book gifted by my client Hina Joshi Srivastav, and she has written and published her fourth book. She's an amazing author. If you want me to review her books, please leave it in the comments down below, and I would love to make that video also for you guys. And this is Heart is a non-fiction book. I wanted to give it a try. Collecting Paulo Coelho's book, as many hard copies as I can ever. That is my biggest dream. I just love this man, the way he writes and everything. So that is one of my dreams, to collect all the books that he has ever written, becoming my favorite book. And also you can see some spiritual books I have. So any Cecilia Ahern's book that you're going to see in this particular video, I bought them at the Lock the Box book sale offer when they came to Chennai. I go there with my friend, dumps as many books as I can, as we can, just put them in the box together, and we just we just love that process. And last 2 years back when they conducted the sale, they also were selling some bookmarks that was just so amazing. I'm just waiting when that particular part will return. This is also a book I got there. So usually at these Lock the Sale book offers, what happens is, when you're going to buy a box for 2100 or something, you're going to get 15 to 20 books. It depends on the size of the book and everything, and how you're arranging it in the box. So it depends on all such factors, and I usually try to arrange at least 20 books. So for 2000 rupees we are getting all these amazing books. So the Katy Perry book that you saw, it came with the box. So its price technically is 100 rupees, which is crazy, I know. And that is the main reason why this hardbound book, I bought it from the offer. This book was gifted by my mom. I have not read it yet, but I have to. Hippie, Paulo Coelho, again the same offer. That's where I bought it. So these are all Rich Dad, the next few books. Alchemist, Pride and Prejudice, and Brida, I think. Yeah, Brida. So no, The Witch of Portobello. All these books are books I bought from Amazon. We have Brida. So all those books were in the third shelf. Coming to the second shelf, where I usually have all the small fiction books. This is my okay, I cannot tell which part is my favorite. I love all the parts. I love all the books that are there. This tiny book, again, I dumped it in the Lock the Box sale. And this Scholastic Quiz and all, when I was studying in my school days, I bought these books, never used them though. From Amazon, Agatha Christie's book, Sherlock Holmes, this is also from Amazon. The Great Gatsby, this is the only book ever I think I'm going to say that I love the movie much better than the book. I don't know, maybe don't hate me for it, but I seriously loved the movie. DiCaprio's acting in that particular movie was outstanding. It was so good. I don't think that kind of acting was portrayed in the writing. That's my personal opinion. Don't hate me for that. But I generally don't like movies when compared to books. That's how I am. And whenever my friend says I watched the movie, I don't want to read the book, I judge them. So yeah, Guide, Preeti Shenoy's book, The Diary of, this is an amazing book. Chetan Bhagat's book. So all these things, as you can see, they are fresh copies, new books. By that's what I mean. And all these books I bought from Amazon. You can easily buy these books for 119, 120. When the sale is going, if you wait for the sales and buy these books, you will get them at a steal deal. Robin Sharma's, this is such a tiny book, but if you ever feel down, just get this book and read it. Not even the entire book, but 2 to 3 pages will really boost your mood up. And Three Men in a Boat, Osho's book, I bought it in an offer. I don't think I'm ever going to read that Rucha Datta's book ever. Navani Chakraborty's, that particular book was way good. I wanted to see what other cures and everything, as I have asthma and I wanted to check that. That's why that non-fiction book is there. Ram is such an amazing book again. Hunger, the cover of this book is so good, that's why I bought it from the sale again, but I have not read it yet. I have to. As you can see, most of the fresh copies that are there, I have already read those books, but they just look fresh because of the OCD that I have. I don't like crushing the books, or they have to be perfect, they have to be neat, they have to be clean, and I do not lend my books to anybody. I know it's not so good, but that's my perk. I can't lend my book to anyone. That's not who I am. And quickly seeing the top shelf, some of the books that I don't usually read a lot, but or I have completed reading them, so I put them on the top shelf. And these are the books that I own, guys, and this is my bookshelf tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment which is your favorite book, and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Tata.